Hello everyone, welcome to TradeXon. Real trades, real capital, no demo, no hindsight. This channel documents my trading journey in real time, wins, losses and everything in between. From my last video, I have three close positions. Two of them are with a loss and one is a win trade. I will start with BAM. I opened the trade when the price broke through the high of this red candle, and as you can see, a couple of days later on this big red candle I was stopped out. My stop was hit, and after that the price started to recover on the upside. And as you can see, if I wasn't hit here I would be on profit, but I didn't have a chance, or I wasn't lucky, or maybe was just a stop hunting setup, and after that the price started going up. As you can see here, we have a wall of the mother bar, and after that we have an inside bar or inside candle. The price broke through the wall of this bar, and after that it continue moving up, so that's why I think that this is some kind of stop hunting. But unfortunately I wasn't lucky, and my stop loss was hit. The other trade that I took was on CODI. Here I opened the trade after the price broke through the high of this candle, and 2 days later I was stopped out again. But if I wasn't stopped out here, I would be stopped out with this bar if I hadn't closed the trade. I would close the trade because of the earnings. In fact, this is a result from the earnings, and now the price is consolidating again. Maybe I will consider taking another trade here. This was my last position, OUST. Here I opened the trade after the broke of the high of this candle, and after that we had another trade opportunity if someone wants to take this inside bar. But when the price started going down, I moved my stop loss up, so I was on breaking even and I was protected. My stop was almost hit, and after that the price started to reject up, and I closed my trade here because there were earnings on the day after, and I wasn't to be involved in this trade during the earnings, because I told you in my last video, this is not trading, this is just a gambling if you hold your positions during the earnings with their full size. If you have taken some partials, or you have closed part of your position size, you can check what will happen with the position, but this should be with a very small amount from your capital and your position size. And after that, as you can see, the price dropped, and I would be stopped out, but I finished here with $32 on profit. I want to show you my statement. As you can see, I'm not showing you this position URGN because I showed this was in my previous video, and here the positions that were closed, and the one FORM that is still running. As you can see, the realized total losses and profits are being minus $26.38. CODI minus $26.24, and OUST I have closed this position on profit to $32. Now at the moment my FORM position is still running. As you can see here today, the price made a big move on the downside, and I had protected my position before this movement, and my stop loss was almost hit. Fortunately, I'm still in the trade, and I'm on profit now. The position is protected with my stop loss, and if it doesn't make a huge gap, I will be at least with no loss. And here this bar is not a very good bar. Sometimes this kind of bars are a signs for reversal. I hope that the price will go up and I will be in profit from this trade. Today I opened another two trades. One of them is SEI. Here I opened trade after the break of the high of this inside candle. For now I am $5 on profit here. The other trade that I took today was TTMI, and as you can see here the movement of the price is better for now, and if this candle manages to close above this high, maybe the next point of the price and the next price level where we could be expecting some rejection is around $180, but we will see how this trade will develop. Here currently I am on $21 in profit, and these are my trades for now. I am watching some stocks here. If I decide to take some of these trades, I will update you, and I will let you know for my analysis on the stocks. This is TradeXon. Trading is not about being right every time, it's about managing risk and staying consistent. If you want to follow the journey, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.